I'm Alana Latif, and this is my mom, Bobby Joe Stanton. We just bought this 2024 Chevy Trax that I love. Super excited to drive it. Tulsa, Oklahoma, at the Expo Seth Week for the Tulsa Holiday Horse Show. The experience was amazing. My first time to cars, so she loved Italian. Got us into this car, recommended us, and yes, and Nolan was great to work with, loving each day.
So what's on the horizon for you? What's next? Where's this car going to take you?
First I'm going to go into OSU. I'm going to become a equestrian team and go to college.